This is question number 24. It's coming from lesson 4.1. Remember, this lesson is about x-intercept. This word x-intercept, you should know two things about this word. Does anybody remember where the point should be?
Yes, cross x-axis.
Cross x-axis. And?
Y equals 0.
Very good. So also y should be equal to 0. So the x-axis is this red line that is here. It goes left and right on your coordinate plane. When we have something called x-intercept, it must be on this red line. So remember, this point, we should be able to write the ordered pair. When we want to write the ordered pair, we need a number for x and we need a number for y. As you already said, the y must be 0. So if we're counting here on the x-axis, 0 is in the middle. This is positive. Anybody?
Positive 3.
This positive 1, this positive 2, and this point is positive
3.
So this is how we say the x-intercept. It must be on the x-axis and the y value must be equal to 0. Second word you need for this lesson is going to be the y-intercept. So two things you should know about y-intercept. The point goes where?
Cross y-axis, 0 equal, x equals 0.
And x equals 0. So this point should be on the y-axis. The y-axis is this vertical line that goes up and down. The point must be on the blue line. So if I'm talking about this point, remember for our ordered pair, we have x number and we have a y number. The number for x must be 0. What's your number for y?
Negative 2.
Good, so negative 2. So this point, the x is going to be 0 and the y is going to be negative 2. Last thing about this lesson is that when you make this in your exam, the table is going to help you to remember about the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So what did you say again about x-intercept? Cross what?
Cross x-axis.
And
it's equals 0. Y equals 0.
Y equals 0. Good. The y-intercept. Cross?
Cross x-axis.
X-axis.
And
Y
x equals 0.
Y-intercept.
Cross y-axis, x
Cross
equals 0.
Cross y-axis and x equals 0. So you have to remember which number should be 0 for the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay?
Yes, I have
This
a
one?
question.
Go ahead.
They will give us the table, or we do it?
They're not going to give you anything. You have to do it. Everything in this video is a strategy that you should do to bring it correct. So this question, we have x-intercept, cross x-axis, and what?
Y equals 0.
Y equals 0. So the equation they give us, y equal positive 2x subtract 4. We write it. We're not writing y. We're putting what number there?
0.
Yeah, we're putting 0. After you put 0, you have to solve. So what's your next step?
Add 4 both sides.
Add 4 both sides.
Yes.
You get to this. What's your next step?
Divide 2 both sides.
Divide 2. You get x is equal to positive 2. Then you do the y-intercept. cross the y-axis, and
X equals 0.
x equals 0. So you take the same equation, but this time you're going to make the x 0. Put
Put 0.
parentheses and 0.
0.
What's positive 2 multiplied by 0?
0.
0. So what's 0 subtract 4?
4.
One more time.
Positive 4.
0 subtract 4?
No, add 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Done. So remember in class, remember when we have the 0? Okay. We can delete. You can delete, or you can write it down to keep solving. 0 subtract 4. Okay, you get negative 4. The last thing is to put the points in the graph. So you're putting the table. What number is our x-intercept?
Positive 2.
Positive 2. Remember, the x-intercept should be on the x-axis. This is the x-axis. Should be here.
Right and left.
Goes right and left. So you go to the x-axis. Where is positive 2? You put a point there at
Go
positive
right.
2. Because remember, the x-axis is going left and right. The y-axis is going up and down.
Down.
Positive 2 means you go which way?
Right.
You go right. How many?
2 units.
2 units.
2 units.
And 0 means to do what?
We don't move.
We don't move. Stay. We don't move. So if we're starting from 0, we should go right 2 units. And then we're going to stay. We're not going to go up. We're not going to go down. This is where the point should be. Okay? For the y-intercept, what number should be in this blank?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. So remember, 0 means to do what?
Down will be.
0 means to go down.
No, stay, don't move.
Stay, don't move. So we stay in the middle, we don't move. Then we have this number, negative 4. It means to go up or down?
Down.
Down, because it's a negative number. So from 0, we're going to count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put points here. Remember the y-intercept, it must be on the y-axis. So you put this point in the exam so there's no confusion. When you make your point, put 0 and negative 4. When you make this point, write positive 2 and 0. And then draw the line. When you make the line, be sure to put the arrow at the end. If you're missing the arrow, you will lose the mark. And this was a question they asked in an old exam long time ago. So this was a 7-point question in the last exam. So see how they marked it. Did you put the y is equal to 0? You get 1 mark. Did you solve? You get another mark. Did you put x is equal to 0? You get 1 mark. Did you solve? You get 1 mark. See about the graph. Did you put the x-intercept correct? Did you put the y-intercept correct? And see what this sentence says. The student gets 1 point for drawing the line. The line has to have arrows on the end. It can't just be this. You have to make sure you put the arrow on both sides because a line continues. It doesn't ever stop. So maybe this question will be same about 7 marks, maybe more. Everybody have the idea?
Yeah.
So from here, it's just the questions in the workbook. You have 3 parts to do. Make sure you do all 3 parts in the exam so you get all of the marks. So first, we're going to start with the x-intercept. What do you know about x-intercept? Y equal?
Y equals 0.
0. So you copy the equation. You're not writing y, you're putting 0. And then you solve. So what's now?
Then here we will say negative for both sides.
Correct. Then we get this.
Then divide to both sides.
You get x is equal to -2. That's part 1. Part 2, you need the y-intercept. So this one, x is equal to 0. Write the equation again. Do not write x, put parentheses and 0. For this one, what's +2 times 0?
0.
So here, you're getting 0. So you can change it to 0. 4 plus 0 makes
4.
+4. Part 3 is to make the graph. So to help yourself, you can make the table. What number is our x-intercept? -2. So how do we find it? We go on the x-axis to where x is -2. This is 0. This is a -1 on the x-axis. This is -2 on the x-axis. You put the points and you write your ordered pair. Should be -2, 0. The y-intercept, what number is it?
+4.
+4. The y-intercept must be on the y-axis. So we're starting at 0. We want +4. We should go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put points there. Make sure you label it. 0 and +4. Do not forget to draw the line.
Miss, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Miss, in the exam, they will gonna write numbers in the graph.
Don't know. I can't say. Do you need the numbers?
I'm just asking because we cannot confuse if we
The only number you need to know is 0. Where is 0?
in the middle.
In the middle. After there, you can count. So if they put the numbers, great. If they don't put the numbers, you don't need because you know where 0 is and you know how to count. So don't worry about the numbers. Just worry about where is 0 and counting correctly. So again, how did I get the x-intercept? The x-intercept is -2. I should go left 2 units. The y-intercept was +4. I should go up 4 units, starting from 0. Try again. X-intercept. What do we put?
5 minus 0 equal negative 3x.
Before we start, X-intercept, Y should be what?
Y 0.
0. Make sure you write it down. Then put the equation. We're not writing Y. Put what number there?
0.
0. Then solve. So this one, 5 subtract 0.
Five. Miss, here we say negative 5 or 5 subtract 0
What is 5 subtract 0? You have to clean this up.
equal 5.
Okay, positive 5. Now,
Divide 3 both.
divide.
No, add 3.
Add.
Wait.
Oh, you guys know so much.
Miss, we didn't divide.
Divide what?
Divide 3 both sides.
I
Negative
don't
3.
know 3.
Negative 3.
Yeah, negative 3, both sides. So you get X is equal to negative 5 over 3.
Miss, can we write it with decimal also?
You can write it as a decimal also. For the Y-intercept, X should be what?
0.
0. Copy the equation. You're not writing X. Put parentheses and 0. From here, you need to multiply negative by 0. What do you get?
0.
0. Okay, solve.
Add 1y both sides.
No,
Add the 5 both sides.
no.
Negative 5 both sides.
Yeah, subtract 5 both sides. So you get this. Negative 1y is equal to negative 5. What's now?
Then we gonna do the graph.
No, we need y.
Divide
Divide
negative 1.
1. Negative 1.
By negative 1, both
Both
sides.
sides.
Y is equal to positive 5. The solving, I'm not going to discuss it. If you need help with the solving, you got to go watch the videos from Module 2. Start with lesson 2.2 and go all the way to lesson 2.4. Right? Because you need to know how to solve here again. After you do the x-intercept and the y-intercept, it's time to make the graph. So what number is our x-intercept? Negative 5 over 3. If you get a fraction, you got to change it to a decimal to put it in the graph. So I'll say it again. If your answer is becoming a fraction, when you're ready to put it in the graph, you need to make it decimal so that you know where to put the number. So this number is negative 1.67. We going to go left or going to go right?
Left.
Going left. So from 0, we're going to go left. 1, it's between 1 and negative 2. So here is negative 1, and this is negative 2. So our point needs to be somewhere in between. It does not have to be exact, just make sure it's between. After you put it between, make sure you write what is the ordered pair. So write what is the point. Negative 1.67 and 0, so that it's clear. What number is our y-intercept? Should be positive 5. So how do we get to positive 5? We're going to go up from 0. Here is 0. You're going to count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the point. Label it 0 and positive 5. Make the line. Only this. Number 11. You guys still there? Nobody? Okay. So we have x-intercept. Y is going to be equal to 0. Write the equation. You are not writing y. You will put parentheses and 0.
Then we
This one,
multiply.
multiply. So positive 5 multiplied by 0 makes what?
0.
0. Now 0 plus 5. Positive 5. For the y-intercept, you have to make x equal to 0. Copy the equation. You are not writing x. You must put 0. Then you should solve.
Negative 5 what side?
Yes. So you get this. Then
divide 5 what side?
okay. Y is equal to negative 1. Part 3, it's time to draw the table and put the points in the graph. So our x-intercept is positive 5. We going left or we going right? Should be right. So starting at 0, you're going to go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the point. Make sure you label it. Positive 5 and 0. The y-intercept is going to be negative 1. So you should go down from 0. Start at 0, go down 1. Put your point. Make sure you label it. 0 and negative 1. Draw the line. Okay. Question number 12, same again. Part 1 is x-intercept. You make y equal to 0. Write the equation. You are not writing y, put 0. X plus 0 makes x. So x is equal to positive 4. Part 2, the y-intercept. You're going to make x equal to 0. Write the equation. Do not write x, put 0. 0 plus y makes y. So y is equal to positive 4. Part 3, you have to put the points in the graph. So your x-intercept is positive 4. It means you should go right 4 units. Starting at 0, count 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put your point here. Make sure you label it. For the y-intercept, also positive 4. You're going to go up to get to the y. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the point. Make sure you label it. Draw the line. Everybody's okay?
Yes.
Question number 13, same. X-intercept, we should make it y equal what?
Y equals 0.
Y equals 0. Write the equation. You are not writing y. Put 0.
0.
X subtract 0 is x. So x is equal to negative 3. Do the y-intercept. So x should be what? 0.
0.
Write the equation. Do not put x, put 0. 0 subtract y is negative 1y. Still same, it's negative 1y. Divide negative 1 both sides. You get y is equal to positive 3. Part 3, make the points in the graph. Your x-intercept is negative 3. You going left or you going right?
Left.
So left. Start at 0 and you're going left 1, 2, 3. Put the point. Label it negative 3 and 0. For the y-intercept, the number is positive 3. So we're going up or down?
Down.
It's positive.
Up is going up.
It's going up. So starting at 0, and you're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Put the point. Label it 0 and positive 3. Draw the line. Last one. You're not writing, or sorry, x-intercept. Y should be equal to 0. Copy the equation. You are not writing y with 0. Then solve.
Negative.
Yeah, go ahead.
Negative 8.
Both sides. Fine. You get this. Divide
Then divide negative 6.
both sides. You get positive 4 over 3 is equal to x. Your y-intercept means x should be 0. Write the equation. Do not write
We
x
put parentheses.
and 0. Here, You're doing -6 times 0.
Multiply.
Sorry, gives you 0. 8 subtract 0 gives you +8. So only that. The graph, if your x-intercept is a fraction, if your y-intercept is a fraction, make it a decimal. So this is +1.3. We going left or going right to get to this point?
Left.
Positive or negative? Positives, we go right. Negatives, we go left. So if the number is positive, we go right. If the number is negative, we go left. So this is positive, we're going right. 1.3 is between +1 and +2. So put it somewhere in between. Make sure that you label it so that they know what you mean. 1.3 and 0. Your y-intercept is +8. The y-axis goes up and down. If it's positive, we go up. If it's negative, we go down. This is a +8, so should be going where? Up. Put your pencil at 0 and you count 8 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the point, label it, and draw the line. So this is question number 24. I put it as medium. Depends on what kind of equation they give you. But I think you should be able to solve this one, no problem at all.